Today I'm opening up my EZ-Anchor Rebel EZ-4 stainless steel windlass that I'm going to put on my Tiki 30 catamaran that I'm building. A nice heavy duty solenoid there. I got this on Amazon. It was $2,600 US. If you order it from the EZ-Anchor folks, it's about $100 in shipping, while Amazon had free shipping, so I ordered it through them. Got some miscellaneous hardware there, my roller. It's got the up-down switch, toggle. Thing's packed in here pretty well. It had straps on it, on the box holding it in there. This thing weighs about 80 pounds. It's good for up to a 35-foot boat. Super heavy duty. It can be mounted in any position, up or down. I'm going to be able to put it on my Tiki 30 above the front or the middle beam, flush with the deck, and I'll be able to run the rope and chain for the windlass anchor under the deck and under the netting up front. It's going to be awesome.